Today's Sourdough Sunday. Today I'm making a sourdough focaccia. First add 125 grams of active starter into a bowl. Next add 2 teaspoons of salt. Then add 280 grams of warm filtered water. Next mix it up. Next I'm going to add 475 grams of unbleached bread flour. Then mix that up until the dough forms. Next cover up the dough and let this rest for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, I'm going to do 3 rounds of stretch and folds, which just means I'm going to lift up the dough and place it on itself and do it all the way around the bowl and then cover the dough back up and let it rest for 30 minutes in between each round. Now I'm going to do my last round of stretch and folds and cover the dough back up and let this rise for 8 hours. After the 8 hours, I added the dough into an 8x10 pan and I have a couple tablespoons of olive oil into the pan. I'm going to flip over the dough and coat it in the olive oil and then cover the dough back up and let this rise for another 6 hours. After the 6 hours, I'm going to dimple the dough and then sprinkle it with some flaky sea salt and bake this at 400 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. This is what the focaccia bread looks like when it came out of the oven, and I let it cool for 1 hour before slicing into it. Here's an up close look at the focaccia bread.